Hey guys, just wanted to take a minute and just mention something that's important when you're looking at your project and why it's important to work with a manufacturer certified installer. No matter if it's roofing, decking, siding products, you definitely want to make sure that you're working with a certified contractor. Here at Property Revolution, we're certified installers of Trex products if you're looking for a composite deck. We're certified by James Hardie. We're VSI certified for installing vinyl siding products. And then we're also certified installers with both GAF and Atlas roofing products. The reason this is important, every single major manufacturer out there has a warranty program. And you may read somewhere in a brochure about a specific product and it's going to say lifetime warranty or the warranty is XYZ. But typically that warranty only applies if it's installed by a certified contractor and if that certified contractor registers the warranty with the manufacturer. Those two steps are very important to making sure that you're covered if there is a defect in your product. And you definitely don't want to find out 3-4 years down the road when you're having trouble with something that the warranty that you thought you were getting doesn't actually apply to you. So when you're looking at a project, you definitely want to make sure that your contractor is licensed. You want to make sure that they're insured, and it's really easy to ask for a certificate of insurance. And then the third piece that you want to look for is a manufacturer certification that the company you're working with is certified to install the products that you're purchasing from them. I hope this helps. If you have any question about our certifications, or if you're out of our area and you're looking at another installer and you want to know how to check up on that, feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.